Hello children, once again. So in the last video I have given the revision part and I have given you the first term syllabus. So please start learning. I will give you on Wednesday, I will give you one small test and you have to do it. So on Wednesday, be prepared. I am giving you two days to learn chapter number 1. I will be taking test of chapter number 1, the whole chapter, the fill in the blanks, match the columns and everything. Question answers, all that is after the chapter. I will be taking the test of that. So now for today, please take out page number 57, lesson number 7, caring for others. Now in this chapter, we will be learning about the people who need our help. How can we help the people who are in need of help? How can we care for the sick and the old? So these are the things which we will be studying in this chapter. Page number 57, lesson number 7, caring for others. All of us need food, clothes and shelter to live. Now you already know that children, we need food to eat, clothes to wear and a shelter to live in. These are our basic needs. These are our basic needs. Basic means everybody needs this. Either it is a rich or a poor. But in order to be happy, we need some other things too. For example, we need a good health. We need love and care from others. And we need friends with whom we can share our happiness and sorrow. Now, after these basic needs, the food, clothes and shelter, we need some more things to be happy. Now, what are those things? We need good health, we need love, we need care from others, and we need friends with whom we can share our happiness and sorrow. Everybody needs a good health, or you like to be ill. No, nobody wants to be ill. Everybody wants to be having a good health. We need love and care from others. From other means from parents, relatives, from friends. We need friends also which we can share our happiness and sorrows. So we need our friends also. There are many people who do not have all these. They may be sick, they may have some difficulties, or they may not have friends to talk to. Now there are some people who don't have all these things. They may be sick also. They may be having some difficulties also, or they may have they may not have friends to talk also. Some people do not even have proper clothes or houses. Now you have seen the poor people who are living near the roadside. They don't have clothes to wear, they don't have house to live in, they don't have food to eat. So we all have, like right now we all have these things. So we should be always thankful to God that he has given us the basic needs for our life, and we should always thank God for this. So some of the people do not even have proper clothes or houses. We should try to help these people and make them happy. Now what we should do, this is our duty and responsibility. If we are having something extra, so we should always help others. We should try to help, at least we should try to help people and make them happy. Now the first topic is caring for the needy. We see many people around us who do not have enough means to support themselves. Now we see many people around us who do not have enough means to support themselves, means they don't have the food to eat, they don't have clothes to wear, nice clothes to wear, they don't have shelters also. So we should always support themselves. They may not have enough clothes to wear or a nice place to live in. They have to live without fans during summers and without proper warm clothes during winters. Now we are very thankful to God because He has given us nice clothes on our birthdays, in the parties. We have what? Different kinds of clothes to wear. But the people who are staying outside near the roadside or in the slum areas, they don't have a sometimes they don't have fan during the summers. In the winters they don't have the warm clothes also. Sometimes they don't wear the nice place also to live in. So we should always be thankful to God because He has given us these things. There are children who are unhappy because their parents cannot buy them toys. Now this is a very sad thing that some children are there which do not have their parents can't buy toys for them. They never have fun times like birthday parties or outings. When our birthday comes, what we do, we go outside, or we at home also we cook nice things and we celebrate with our friends. But some of the children who has never celebrated their birthday or never have gone out for the outing for any good thing, they never made a trip to another place, they never have gone to the other city also for enjoying or the summer vacation or anything. We have more we who have more can help these people overcome the difficulties. For example, we can give away our excess clothes to needy people. Many organizations collect used clothes and or other things to distribute among needy people. Now, what you have seen this in our school also. We all celebrate the social week. Yes, social week. Yes or no? Yes. So what we do? We ask the children that please bring some old clothes from your house. Yeah, some of you brings some food for them, some help through the money. So many institutions, many organizations are there, those who collect old clothes and then they distribute to these poor people. So if we have old clothes, we should not throw them. We should collect them and keep it aside, and when you see any needy people, please go and give them, so that they will also be thankful to you that you have given. They will be very, very happy when you give them these things, and they will be so happy and thankful to you. So today we will do it till here. From the next page we will do in the next video. And children, be prepared for Wednesday. I will take test, and chapter 1 number 1 you have to learn fully the fill in the blanks, match the columns, everything which is given after the chapter. Please revise it and learn it, and I will take the small test on it. Thank you and have a nice day.